Dear viewers, today we will discuss interior and exterior angles. Our topic is interior and exterior angles. First of all, we will discuss interior angles. Interior angles are the angles formed within or inside a shape. Any angle or inside a shape is called interior angles. Exterior angles are the angles formed outside a shape. Any angles outside of the shape is called exterior angle between any side of a shape and an extended adjacent side. We will discuss these angles in a figure. This is figure of interior and exterior angles. Here angle ABC. Angle ABC mean angle A. This is called angle A. Angle BCA mean angle B, and angle CAB are the interior angles. Angle CAB mean angle C. These three angles are interior angles because these three angles are inside of the shape. Here angle ACD is an exterior angles. Why? Because exterior angles ACD is the outside of the figure. So this is called exterior angle of this figure.